In today's software landscape, developers are expected to move faster than ever while building applications that are scalable, portable, and integrated with AI. Docker's AI stack makes this easier by giving developers a consistent way to package, run, and share AI-powered applications. By learning Docker's AI stack, developers can standardize AI workflows, accelerate experimentation, and collaborate effectively. In this session, we'll review install requirements, leverage Docker Model Runner to send prompts, and show how easy Docker lets us leverage these AI models.
So when we get to our terminal and we have Docker Desktop running in the background, we can simply do our Docker Model Run command, the model we want to leverage and use, and then our prompt. So we can see here, we quickly are able to interact with the model and have the model accept our prompt and give us a response. So if you haven't downloaded Docker Desktop lately or looked at it recently, there are definitely a lot of AI tooling that is built into the Docker Desktop. So of course we have Ask Gordon, where you have access to talk and ask Gordon, especially Docker related questions. So this is a great way to ask inside of here and get information about all of your Docker related information. So let's say, what is Gordon? Of course, it'll probably do a better explanation. So hey there, I'm Gordon, your AI assistant created by Docker Inc. I'm here to help you with all things Docker and Docker related tools, products, and technologies. My main capabilities include explaining, optimizing, or rating Docker files, helping you run Docker containers, providing info on the latest Docker version, and release notes, etc. So this is a great example of how people are leveraging MCPs to have these large language models focused in on specific domains and toolings. So this has been plugged into all of Docker's, documentation, and it's also interfacing with a lot of the other Docker extensions and tooling. So this will be helpful, and it'll make it a lot easier than just going through plain documentation to be able to interact with Docker related information that we want to retrieve. And then of course you have your general containers, your images here, and so you can see images that I've been interacting with, and this is the AI model that we ran our prompt through. So this will also be shown in the models here. So the models show in this view and also in the images view, because they're still leveraging images. Then a nice thing here is we have the MCP toolkit. I've been experimenting with MongoDB, and so I want to do another tutorial about leveraging the MongoDB MCP to be able to see if we can do some cool things with the tooling here. So that'll be something to make sure you like and subscribe, so you can see how we interact with this as well. So I think that's a wrap for this first session. Let us know if there are any other topics that you would like us to cover or show. I know MCPs are definitely, we'll be diving deeper into the MCP toolkit and how to leverage that moving forward. But thank you all. Have a good one. See you soon.